important weekend here in Gainesville as we welcome back the thousands of UF students. It's a busy time for us here in the WRUF Weather Center as we're tracking heat, afternoon storms that, as we saw Thursday, are very intense, and the tropics are heating up as well. I want to show you what happened Thursday. We, of course, welcomed the relief from the heat. We had some really intense storms, though, and on radar, estimates that some locations had over 2 inches of rain. The western sides of Gainesville, the eastern sides of Gainesville, the southern half, even up north. But here in the center part of the city and near UF's campus, hardly a drop of rain. That's kind of how the thunderstorms go this time of year. Check out the heat Thursday. Yeah, we welcomed the relief from the cloud cover and the rain because we had 6 or more hours with a heat index above 100, and we peaked at the airport at 5 p.m. there at 105 before, of course, the thunderstorms cooled us down. A heat advisory is in effect again for your Friday for almost all of North Florida from noon to 8 p.m. And that's just one of 3 big things I'm watching for the weekend. We got that heat advisory, we have weekend storms, and I'm watching the tropics. I'll show you hour by hour what's going to happen with the heat on your Friday. A lot of you moving, or at least moving about, getting ready for the semester to start. Please slow down, take frequent breaks in the AC, and stay hydrated. By 10 a.m., it's already going to feel like the low 90s. By noon, already 102. That's what the heat index will likely be here in Gainesville. Possibly as high as 107, 108, and staying in the triple digits. As I move the clock, the numbers hold there all the way through early evening until hopefully a thunderstorm will cool us down. Now, there's only a slight chance for a storm Friday and Saturday afternoon. Both days, similar setup with a sea breeze collision. You can see it right there across the spine of the peninsula. That's scattered coverage. I think the rain will probably become more widespread and start earlier on Sunday as this backdoor front sneaks in from the north and east. Look at the coverage there of the rain. So Sunday's the day where we get the earlier storms, and as a result, slightly cooler temperatures. I think that'll continue into Monday. Then next week, our forecast is largely hinging upon what happens with Invest 96. Development as a tropical storm likely, probably somewhere here north of Puerto Rico or toward the Bahamas, but where it moves thereafter, still very much uncertain. Yes, the majority of the models take this out to sea, but I am not real confident on that just yet. We need something to track before the models really are going to be more reliable. All right, here's your updated 6-day, a very warm and humid start to your Friday. The heat advisory in effect at noon. The drive home, maybe a spotty thunderstorm if you're lucky to cool you off. Similar story Saturday. Rain chances increase Sunday and Monday as temperatures come down just a bit. And then, of course, by Tuesday of next week, we are certainly watching the tropics.